Indian Railway Finance Corporation, or in short IRFC, after giving a huge rally of 170% in just under 2 months, has been in consolidation phase for the past 3 months. But there are signs that this consolidation could be over soon, and very soon we might get to see the second phase of the rally, which is the next best opportunity for the people who missed out on the first rally, and also an opportunity for the existing investors who want to add more units of the stock into your portfolio. How did I know all these things? Let's find out in this video. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. In this video, I'm going to give you the update on IRFC. So this is my, I think, 5th video on IRFC. I'm going to give you the update on IRFC, and first of all, let me just highlight few things. You can see that IRFC, after breaking this level, okay, has rapidly gone up. Okay, and let's measure how much gain that is from this point. Okay, and as you can see, 170.25% in 53 days. That is less than 2 months. So that's a huge rally. Okay, but after that, you can see this entire sideways move. Okay, this entire sideways move. So now let's measure these also. So I will start from here, and the maximum drop is 28.6%, which is completely fine. And you can see that this duration is 90 days today on the date of recording 11th December 2023. Okay, it is 90 days and the return is minus 28.62%. But here there is clear sign that this consolidation, this sideways movement is about to be over pretty soon. Okay, you can see the big wick in the candle here. Okay, and then we are getting strong upward movement. Small red candles, big green candles, clear sign of bullish formation. Okay, and today on the date of recording, it has already given 6.2%, and the current price is 81.40. Okay, just few minutes back it was somewhere around 80.50. So it is clearly telling that the market is very bullish on IRFC right now, and by the end of the day it could have gone much higher than 81. Okay, like 82, 83, 84, we do not know, we have to see. Okay, but one thing we are clear, that this stock is about to end its 3 months consolidation and about to begin its new rally. Okay, so let's check with few parameters first of all. So this big green candle of today, which is 6.46% now, 6.53% now. Okay, let's check the volume for this one. Okay, and we are clearly getting to see that the volume today is higher than this average moving average line, black line. Okay, and yes, the last trading day also it was high during this one. So we need this criteria in order to confirm that a stock is actually going to give a breakout. You can see continuously high volumes here as soon as the stock approaches this red line, which is the nearest resistance. So how did I figure out that this is the resistance, and once it is broken the stock will start going up? Let me show you that also. Okay, first of all, by the initial looks only, you can see that this is the high point, okay, which the stock was trying to break. Okay, but it failed. Initially this was the high 77.85, or you can say 78, then it went up here, but again it was pushed down from this point. So this is the high point, okay, and this is the low point. So in between that I have drawn one blue line at the bottom and red line at the top. So these are the initial observations of the overhead resistance, but along with that we should also use some additional tools and indicators in order to confirm. Okay, if we are not sure about it, but for the convenience, let me use the pivot points and show you what the pivot point is telling us. So here I have enabled the pivot point, and you can see the pivot point is actually marking R1 in this level only, where I have marked this one. Okay, this one and this one is the R1 for here. So combining these two, we can be sure that the resistance lies somewhere here. Okay, and also this candle is also giving a clear confirmation that this is actually the resistance, and once it is broken the stock will start going up. Now let's check with super trend also, people who trade using super trend. So we can see in daily time frame, also the stock did not cross this green line and it stayed above it all the time. Okay, so that's a very good sign of strength. It is clearly telling that IRFC will continue its uptrend very soon. And let me also use moving averages. So I will use the 30 WMA, okay, and as you can see it is nicely giving support. Let me use 40 also, which is the 200 days moving average, and you can see the stock has started resting above that, okay, in the daily time frame. That is, this is not the 200, this is 40 days, okay. And if I use 50, which is very popular, it is also giving us the same story, okay. You can see the stock is finding support above it, and pretty soon, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, or within this week, the stock will break this level and start going up, okay. So this is the best opportunity for everyone to add more units to their portfolio or make a fresh investment, okay. So people who are willing to make a fresh investment, you have not already invested in this stock, then wait for the breakout above this level. Let's say today it is giving a big green candle here, and tomorrow also it is staying above it, then the next trading day you directly make an entry, okay. That will be the easiest and the cleanest way to make an entry or to trade a breakout, okay. And people who are already holding IRFC, then you can invest today also, there is no problem in that, because you must be in a huge profit. Those who have invested in the initial phase here, I have made video here also multiple videos I have made on IRFC. You can go to my playlist and check them out, okay. And people who have invested there, they are already in a profit of at least 70 to 80% or a maximum 170 to 160%, okay. So you can definitely make an entry today itself on 11th December, no problem with that, right? So that is the overall status of IRFC. The key takeaway is that the consolidation phase is going to be over pretty soon. We are getting clear, strong signs of that, and interested investors should definitely make entries right now, and also do your own fundamental analysis if you are a fundamentalist person, right? So that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and informative to you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse for more such videos, and don't forget to check the other videos in my playlist. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.